Hi everyone, this is Gabby with Our Decorative Nest, and today I just had this cute little fun video that I wanted to show you guys how I painted. So today I am painting this adorable snail mushroom statue, which it looks like it's ceramic, but it's actually plastic, which is so much better in case you knock it over or anything. So to start off, I'm just going in with some painting. I'm going to use regular paint to start with, and then by the end I'm going to be using a couple paint pens. I got this adorable statue from Five Below, and I don't know if you guys have been noticing either, but I feel like they've gotten so much more crafting and painting materials in. They have so many different canvases, paints, and paint brushes at the one that I shop at, so let me know if you guys are noticing the same. So next I'm going and painting the base of my mushrooms, and I wanted to make it this fun bright green color. So as many of you know, besides running Our Decorative Nest, this page, I also work a full-time job, and I feel like recently I've been having a struggle finding that work-life balance, so this craft was just so much fun to take a break and unwind after work. So the first color that came to mind for me when thinking of a mushroom was red. So I definitely wanted my first mushroom to give that typical mushroom look. And then for the next one, I am going to go in with a little bit more of an unusual color for a mushroom. Now after doing the two base coats for my mushrooms, I am going to go in and paint the snail shell. So I wanted it to be a color that would definitely pop, so I thought yellow. So just for reference for painting these, I did go in and give each color 2 coats just because I am particular and I like to have that really finished look. Our little snail friend is just coming out so adorable, and I am so glad with the colors that I chose. Alright, and for the finishing touches, I did go in with my favorite paint pens, the Posca pens, and just gave a couple more accents to the mushrooms and his face. Thank you so much for continuing to support Our Decorative Nest, and don't forget to sprinkle this video. Happy crafting!